I'm Nick. I'm originally from Central Kentucky, and I now live here in Covington. 4 years ago, my husband and I moved here to Covington, and it very quickly became home. There is a uniqueness and a feel to this community, and that's one of the first things we noticed when we came here, and it is what's kept us here. I'm excited to take my friend Erin out today. She is from Northern Kentucky. She now lives in Covington, so we're gonna go hang out to some of our favorite places, Roebling Point Books and Coffee and Rosie's. I love Roebling Point Books and Coffee, or as I call it, Ropo Boco for short. I think they have some of the best coffee here in town. Hi!
How's it going?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. Ready to get a chai?
Yes.
Here's the chai latte and the dirty chai with almond milk.
One of the favorite things that I like about them is that they're not afraid to shy away from, cutting edge topics.
Yeah.
So they always have a wonderful selection of queer and LGBTQIA books, which I love.
Yeah, and you don't have to worry that there's going to be anything that they wouldn't carry or wouldn't share if you asked for it.
Yeah, and if I can't find anything on the shelf, then I can just tell the folks up front and they'll order it for me. Ooh, ghost
hunting.
That is up my alley.
There's
you know
a
me
lot
too
of
well.
that here, yeah.
People are magnetized by books. We started as a bookstore. About 2 years into it, we started the coffee shop. It's been a great combination. And we wanted to focus on books that maybe people didn't see everywhere. A lot of local authors here. And to some degree, what we aim for is that every book here, because we're not particularly big, is a staff recommendation.
5. That was fun. We should do it again.
Definitely.
I can't wait to go to our next stop. I think the thing that we love the most about Northern Kentucky is that you have all of the big city amenities right across the river, but when you're on this side of the river, it feels like a small town. Rosie's is just such a wonderful, divey gay bar. And so many times you think of gay bars and it's this elaborate production with drag queens and lights and fog machines and DJs. But here you can just come and just be yourself.
Hey.
Hi, it's good seeing you again.
Good seeing you. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
What are we drinking?
Can I get a whiskey sour?
I will do a tequila soda with lime.
Absolutely.
Rosie's has wonderful staying power. I think what makes it so special is it's this gay hub of social life, right? Like, people have known for 25 years that if I'm a member of the queer community, I can come to Rosie's.
So in June of 1998, Diane purchased the bar, but when she bought it, it was a completely different main Strasse than it is today. I mean, now we're kind of like a foodie destination and a bar destination. We've got tons of tourists that are coming into the area. And she's really capitalized on that as being really an everybody bar.
What is your favorite place to eat in Covington?
I love to eat at Otto's.
Amerasia. Kung food. I love Chinese food.
It's so
I could
good.
eat it every day of the week.
Here's that tequila for you.
Cheers.
Done.
Thanks for hanging out with me today.
Of course. Yeah, we should do this again.
We should.
Well, I mean, we don't have to stop.
Ready to go to the next one?
Yes. That way?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.